Alright guys, here is a 1984 12-inch KDK table fan. I got it at a local thrift store, and since the owner is an old friend of mine, therefore I got it for a really good deal. The overall condition of this fan, I would say it's almost near mint. And of course there are some signs of wear and tear, but that is to be expected for a fan of this age. Also, I don't know if you can see that on camera, there is a minor crack in one of the blades, and I think the previous owner or the owner of the thrift shop mended it with some tape, and since the crack is really subtle, you can't quite see it from afar, and it doesn't affect the performance of this fan. It still runs like clockwork, and it hasn't let me down since the day that I got it. So without further ado, let's go and start her up. Here's slow. Medium. And high. And yeah, this fan has 5-way oscillation, which is commonly found on Matsushita fans from this era. And there you have it. That's my 1984 KDK 12-inch table fan. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.